Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nesura Gowda. Those who are new to my channel, here I'll be uploading your weekly, monthly, mid-month love career prediction based on your sun, moon and rising sign. This video is going to be for Leo, sun, moon and rising sign for the whole month of the July. This is going to be general reading, so it might or might not resonate with every single person who watches it. So if it does resonate with you, then please do consider subscribing to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to take a look at your past, present and future situation. I'm going to clarify some of the cards for you and end up the video pulling some advice. Okay. So Leo. So in the past situation, we have the Nine of Cups, we have the Five of Swords, we have the King of Cups. In the present, we have Six of Cups, the Fool, the Queen of Cups. In the future, we have the King of Pentacles, we have the Three of Cups, we have the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so the challenge for the week, the Chariot. So the challenge for the week is to move on from a situation, from a connection which you didn't feel like it's serving you. Okay, whatever the situation is going to get you, if some situation of, or you could be in some relationship or in some commitment, if you really feel this is not serving you, it is not giving you, it is not really bringing you some happiness, then the challenge is to move on from this connection, from this person, from the situation. Okay, so in the recent past, we have the Nine of Cups, we have the Five of Swords, we have the King of Cups. There was this person in the recent past offering you a lot of emotion, offering you a lot of stability in relationship. You had a real bond with this person. This person was really caring you. Might be some of you were in a relationship with this person, could be an water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Whatever this your wish, you had wish in relationship, this person was fulfilling you in the past moment. There was some fight happened in the past with this person regarding something you didn't feel satisfied, or you wished for something and something happened with this person. Okay, some unexpected thing happens and there was some fight. I feel this is some small fight, not as a big as like a breaking up. I don't know, I'm going to clarify. In the present moment, there's a Six of Cups, there's a Fool, there is the Queen of Cups. For some of you in the present moment, some memories from some person is going to pop up in the present moment. It could be the same person or a different person. Many of you, I see you are moving towards this person, thinking of starting something new or giving some fresh start with this person. Okay, we're going to clarify it in a moment. In the future, we have the King of Pentacles, there's the Three of Cups, there is the Wheel of Fortune. There's some definitely reconciliation happening in the future, which is giving you a lot of potential in relationship. This person is giving you a lot of hopes, a lot of strength to be in this connection, and this opportunity, whatever this person is coming with, gonna change your life, gonna change the dynamic. It's going to change completely. Okay, we're going to clarify the challenge for the week. It's going to change the dynamic. Okay, so the Chariot is clarified by the Seven of Swords, the Nine of Cups, the Four of Wands. Okay, this could be something related to a person who was in the past with you, Leo, because this person was being on and off, on and off, on and off. Didn't know, you were confused about this person because this person could be lying you, could be really was there the way you wanted them to be, you were not sure about this connection. For many of you, it's like moving on from this person and moving towards something where you feel there is stability, where you feel there is happiness, leaving the connection with this person and moving towards somewhere where you find the real happiness is the challenge for the week. Okay, in the recent past, I see there is some fight going on, you and this person. I'm going to clarify the Five of Swords, what happened. Okay, the Five of Swords is clarified by the Wheel of Fortune, which is already there in the challenge. I mean, in the future. something to do with the change which is going to happen in the future. Okay, Five of Swords is clarified with the Wheel of Fortune. There is the Chariot. There is the High Priestess. Someone was being silent in the past. This person was making you feel like you were feeling like, is this person hiding from me something? Is this real? Is this person being genuine with me? This person was really being secretive, didn't really share. This person could be keeping some secrets away from you. That is why some fighting was going on. That is why that fight brought a lot of change, made you to move on from this connection, from this person. Okay, it's very clear. Okay, in the present moment, you're going to clarify the Six of Cups. For some of you, there is some memory hitting in the present moment. You are thinking to give a fresh start with this person, whoever it is coming in the present moment. I feel the water sign. It is Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Tell me more about Six of Cups in the present moment. It's clarified with the Page of Wands. There is the Six of Swords. There is the Eight of Swords. Okay, whoever it is, this person was spying on you. They really want some clarity. This could be you. You really want some clarity about the past person, past connection. You don't know what to do with this person, what to do with this relation. That's why many of you are thinking to move away from this connection, because there is no clarity about whatever happened with this person in the past. I'm going to clarify the Fool. Who is moving away? Who is giving fresh start? Why are you giving fresh start? I feel this is you. You really... The Fool, the weight is jumping towards the past. I am getting a message here. So, the Fool is clarified by the Eight of Cups, the Tower, the Six of Swords. You are really moving away from the connection which really didn't work out in the past. You are moving away from the person which really didn't work out between you and this person. You are really thinking of moving away from this person and finding some place where you feel happiness, where you feel the strength is in. Okay, though this person is offering you a lot of this, there could be chances there is a new person coming your way in the present moment. They're still offering you love. It could be someone having a water sign. Okay, I feel again, though you are having mind of moving on, leaving this person, this connection behind, I feel you're still spying on this person. You still want some clarity. What was this person hiding from me? You're really wanting to know about that person. Okay, there's a situation in the present moment. I'm going to clarify in the future. There is some reconciliation happening. There is some reunion happening in the future. The Three of Cups, who is offering you a lot of potential, lot of strength. So the Three of Cups is clarified with the Ace of Wands, the King of Swords. There is the Three of Wands. You are really thinking to give a new start with someone. You're thinking logically, getting to know some answers from this person. What was unclear in the past, you are getting to, you're having some clarity with this person and thinking to give a new chance or making some plans with this person in the future. Possibly you are getting back to your ex in the near future. You are getting some clarity about the past situation and hoping for, new start. For many of you, this could be different person or could be the same person. I feel this is someone else this is someone else. I feel like that whoever it is, they're bringing a lot of changes in the future. I'm going to clarify the Wheel of Fortune for you. What is the changes happening within you, Leo? The Justice. The Wheel of Fortune is clarified with the Justice, the Seven of Pentacles, the Emperor. Okay, the challenge for the week, you remember moving on towards somewhere where there is stability, where there is power. I feel the changes is you're getting your answer and you're getting some fairness out of this person, which you had been waiting from a long time. Whoever offering you something in the future, they are going to get you a lot of stability, a lot of power. You are being on your own power in the future. You might give them another chance in order to get back into the relation and thinking about something broad plans with this person. So the challenge for the week is the same thing. You have to move on from the connection which is not letting you, giving you happiness what you really wanted, and moving on towards where you feel happiness. I feel again this person is coming and they're offering you some stability which is there in the challenge for the week. You're moving towards stability. Okay, so I'm gonna pull some advice for you, Leo. So the advice for the week is a time for healing. So there's a lot of things happened. There's a lot of things going to happen in the July. There's like almost you are stepping out of this connection because something wasn't happening the way you wanted it to be. You really wanted some clarity. There may be chances that whatever the clarity you're going to get about this person was hiding something. Whatever the clarity you're going to know, that might give you a lot of pain. So heal yourself. Okay, time to heal. I don't feel like you really have to give them another chance or go back to same thing, or heal yourself first before giving this person another chance. Okay, that is all I have for the Leo people. If you guys like the video, then don't forget to hit the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye.